Okay, moving on to our next part. Let's do a dinosaur, Stegosaurus. Okay, just inflate the balloon like this. Leave 3 inches allowance like this. Okay, for the head of our dinosaur, leave at least 2 inches bubbles. Okay, I think that's it. Now, for the legs, 2 inches or 3 inches, another 3 inches bubbles here, and make a loop using these 2 inches bubbles like this. Okay, so we created like this. Now for the body, okay, 4 inches bubble and another 4 inches bubble. I think that's it. So that's the body. And let's create a little configuration here at the top of the body of our dinosaur. Let's make 5 1-inch bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now push it. Okay, push all the bubbles here to lock it up, and that's it. And of course we need a little adjustment here like this. Okay, we're almost done. This is the top body, the main body, and let's create the last part, the last 2 legs of our dinosaur here, and that's it. So we have our very own dinosaur, which is what we call Stegosaurus. See, a Stegosaurus. Okay, in close up. Yeah, Stegosaurus on the loose. That's it. Thank you so much.